my curious cat. The bottom handle came off that side. The screw was unscrew. Actually came off with an unscrew. Came off with the handle, but this side was still attached. And if you look under, so it's attached like this. Actually, like this. This side came off. It was just hanging like that, and this side wouldn't come off. Most of them you can slide this off. Not this one. So on the bottom of that handle there was a Allen wrench screw, and you're gonna have to go under and loosen that Allen wrench screw. So you can see there's like a round ball type of a thing that sits over that and holds in place. And this one, it's a little different. It slides, so you can see, sits in these channels, so it slides over. So now that this is loosened, we're gonna attach this side first. It clicks, so you can see it clicks on, and this side just sits on there, so it's secure. And then I'm gonna need my other hand to go under and then make this tight. You can move these a little bit out just to get a little more access. But just make sure it's seated on nicely. I made sure these bolts are nice and tight, because that's what happened. It got loose over time and just came out with the handle. And real easy fix. So, but obviously it's hidden underneath, and I'm like, why is it not coming off? But you can see that one has it. And take your time, make it nice and tight. I was using it from the longer end, but then I was afraid that this part would scratch the fridge. It's stainless steel, you don't want to scratch that. So turn it over and just do it this way, just to avoid chancing it when you turn this. You don't want to scratch. But other than that, it's on there. It's nice and secure. It opens, it closes, and we are back in business. So yeah, good luck.